Hi Nat, I'm Reno with Richie GMC here in Daytona. Let me introduce you to this beautiful new redesigned 2019 GMC Sierra. As you can see, the bold new grille. This is a totally new redesign for this year. And this is the tailgate everybody's been talking about. Press has been pretty wild on it as well. Now it's laid out in the steps where you can easily get into the bed, but it has multi-functions as well. The interior is equally as elegant. The controls are very easily read, easily placed, and very user-friendly. This particular one is loaded with many amenities, including memory seats, heated seats, cooled seats, navigation, OnStar XM radio, and even Wi-Fi. It does have all the safety features, including collision alert, line zone alert. The back seat is very comfortable as well and very roomy. It does have the controls and vents for the back, as well as heated seat controls. Seats do fold up to give you added storage. Again, my name is Reno with Richie GMC here in Daytona. We're located on 932 North Nova Road, Daytona Beach. My number here is 386-236-5011. Please stop by and take a test drive. I'm sure you'll be very well impressed. Talk to you soon.